The repairs or improvements that you may need to make before listing your home depend on the condition of your home. And of course, the local real estate market. Now, in general, it's a good idea to make sure that your home is in good condition and is appealing to potential buyers. Now, here are some common repairs and improvements that sellers may consider before listing their home. 1. Fix any obvious problems. Address any major issues that may deter potential buyers, such as a leaky roof, a broken HVAC system, or outdated electrical wiring. 2. Paint. A fresh coat of paint can give your home a new and refreshed look and look well maintained. 3. Clean and declutter. A clean and clutter-free home is more attractive to potential buyers. Consider hiring a professional cleaner and removing any excess furniture or personal items. 4. Update the kitchen and the bathrooms. These are the areas of the home that buyers tend to focus on the most, and consider updating cabinets, countertops, and fixtures. 5. Enhance the curb appeal. The exterior of your home is the first thing that potential buyers see, so make sure it looks appealing. Consider painting the front door, putting in some flowers, making the yard well presented. 6. Replace outdated features. So if your home has outdated features such as shag carpets or popcorn ceiling, consider replacing them with more modern options. Number 7, stage your home. Staging your home can help potential buyers envision themselves living there. Consider hiring a professional stager or using online resources to stage it yourself. That's it for now. Who you work with matters.